Hello everyone, this is Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. As part of our grooming process of the backlog, I'm going to be showcasing the following stories. VIP 133, 127, 28, 29, and 138 from the project maintenance. So let's just go to the website. We already have here, so we just go to project maintenance. And let's go and check again. Let's see. So 133, users should be able to edit a product by selecting the edit button depicted by a pencil icon. However, this story has changed over time, so as of right now, we can just change by clicking on each individual part of the project. Say just leave it as P, and then this is a little bug that we have, but let's just go ahead and change the status to active, maybe just pending, and then just when you click out, all these things are successfully edited. Let's go check the next one. Users should be able to filter individual columns with a corresponding input box. And this one goes along with the next one, which is 128. Users should be able to clear all filters with a refresh filter button. So let's just go back to the website and go back to the beginning. As you guys can see, maybe I want to find something with testing. I've been testing a lot recently. So you can see I have testing project creation v2 and then testing v2. I can also just add, as of right now, since all the things have been created based on the professor, this wouldn't be working, but let's just do here what. As you guys can see, this will be the one that I'm talking about. What is lorem ipsum? Just a little description there. So these work, and the clearing also works. Let's go to the next story, which is users should be able to sort by a given column by clicking on the title of the column. So let's just go back here, and as you guys can see, I click here. Oh, this is the same one, so that wouldn't work. There you go. Now this is sorted in ascending order, and then if we want to do descending, we can just click again or click and hold. This will show some things. This wouldn't be part of it because this is not a count, not a number. But I can show these two: up, down, up, down, up, down, ascending, descending, ascending, descending. So as you guys can see, this will be ascending, ascending, and you guys can see that this works. And let me just clear filters. Oh, that's not part of it. And lastly, the 138, users should be able to remove a project by selecting the remove project button depicted by an X icon. So let's just go to the thing, go to the website, and let's see, I want to get rid of testing v2. I just click on it, select it, and then delete the X icon, and you wish to delete this project. And this project is gone, it's not there anymore. Let's just do it again. Let's do this one, testing project creation, and eliminate. And now we have only 4 projects. So this has been all the user stories that I wanted to show for this particular video. This is Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team, and thanks for watching.